How to place your first order on Grubhub. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all, download the Grubhub app on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your Grubhub account. Once in there, all you have to do is enter your home, work, or current location, and Grubhub will show you nearby restaurants and delivery options. Now tap on the restaurant you like, browse the menu, and select your desired items. You can also customize options like toppings, sauces, quantity, and many more. Add them to your bag or cart. Now all you have to do is open your cart to see all items, double check quantities, customizations, and special instructions. Then tap proceed to checkout. Enter your delivery address and choose your payment method and tap place order. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.